Let's get it! Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin going to be at? What's going on with all of this FUD they're giving out? And where's Bitcoin going to actually be at? Then I'm going to give you guys a coin I told you about before that I'm going to let you guys that we need to take a look at. And we're going to take a look at the market. As we see, what was the bottom of Bitcoin? Where was Bitcoin at the bottom? A lot of people saying it was in phase C. As we can see, Bitcoin is not going past 31,000. And the last time it dropped, I think it was at like 28, 29. It went somewhere there. So this could confirm that we're in C. Okay? Confirm that we're here. And we just probably going gradually, but we could be in phase C for a long time. And as I'm going to show you guys in this article, an analysis said that. But guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel where we give you up-to-date information on crypto, so you can kind of clear your head from all that FUD and make the proper decisions with your portfolio. So Bitcoin. So this article, Bitcoin.com, says that analysis says that Bitcoin correction very similar to 2013, and Bitcoin may remain stuck at 30K for a while. So it's a good point. Now that the market is kind of doing that, I'm kind of thinking that it may be around that 30 to 40 range, and we may sit there for a while until we build some momentum up. And I think around football season, because we had just a football player, Saquon Barkley, announced that his endorsements is going strictly to, his Bitcoin. It's like 10 million. I think a lot of other players are going to go with this. And then during the football season, I think we're going to get a lot of volatility on the upside. But this says, analysis discusses Bitcoin's second largest drawdown before the next price move. So most people in the industry understand that Bitcoin prices have seen better days, and many spectators are wondering when the crypto asset will rebound. The fact of the matter is we really don't know, but people do leverage previous chart patterns from bull markets and have measured a number of time spans. So in recent times, Bitcoin.com News has published at least 2 market reports that show speculators believe this bull run resembles the action that took place in 2013. According to the analytics provider Econometrics, the current downturn is the second longest drop since 2013, and there's still a lot more left on the clock. So here it says the Bitcoin drawdowns and how long. So you got days. So we got that one here was 1,000 days. The previous 2 halving cycles ended up with large drawdowns that develop over time, long periods of time. So this was 1,000 days. You got one of them, the drop, and you had one that the long drawdown of the bull market in 2013 lasted 197 days and bottomed around 69%. So what this saying is we could be at this bottom for a long time. Not a long time, probably towards the end of the year. So 90 days is 3 months. So we got May, June, July, August. So September, October, November, we could see it, or it could be a little past that. So Bitcoin after the halving on July 17, 2021, 431 days after the third halving, Bitcoin at $31,678. One more week stuck in this drawdown, 95 days since the last ATH bottom at 55%, all-time high. Below the all-time high, and volatility continues to decline, the analyst added. Economics further stress, this is one of the longest drawdown Bitcoin has had to deal with during a post-halving bull market. But 95 days is still only half the duration of a big drawdown of 2013. So in terms of price trajectory, this correction also looks very similar to 2013. If we continue like that, Bitcoin will remain stuck around 30K for a while. So if we continue this trend in 2013, we could see the same thing now. So you can be looking for a 180 days of this. Okay, so let's take a look at the market. Let's see what we got here. So the last 24 hours, we got helium, and this is very important. The helium is up 9% because they cracked down mining in China. Mining has become very lucrative business here in America. So I bought a mining rig, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I set it up, what's my profit and everything like that as soon as when it comes in the mail. But I know that helium is a big one that you could mine. So I will be giving you guys up-to-date details on that, and make sure you guys click the link Celsius where you can bank yourself. You can get the cheapest loans in the industry for 1%, okay, with the crypto that you got, and they pay out weekly on any crypto that you hodl with them. So I got the description and the link. It's one of the best out there. I like BlockFi too, just for security, but you gotta have a Celsius. All right, so we got helium performing. AMP performed 6.5%, but it's still not, anything to ride home about. All right, the last hour we're looking at DigiByte, doing this thing, but other than that, market looks a little, the same way, just staying around this 30K. Now, I wanted to let you guys know a coin and a application that you guys need to be looking out for, and that's called Doc. Okay, so Doc is where, and I spoke before about this, but because of the advancement of drone shipping, and there's new drone companies that's going to be doing drone deliveries, and that's for another topic, but you have to get certified to fly certain drones that has more weight in the air. So Amazon just released a drone, and just to be able to have verifiable credentials, Doc is a good coin that you should invest in, because everybody's going to have to use it just to have credentials, just so you can have, I got my mortgage brokers, I got this certificate, or wherever that it is. Okay, so this is something that you should definitely keep a hold on and definitely look out for. So guys, that's it for this video. Okay, make sure you invest smart and always take profits. I'll see you guys